Several poets and philosophers throughout history argue that genius resides in simplicity, the so-called ultimate degree of sophistication. It was from this intention that architect Fernanda Padula designed the Petro House, a 380-square-meter residence in Ribeirão Preto, São Paulo, as a rectangular pavilion floating in the center of a generous garden. The conceptual and programmatic simplicity of Petro House is coupled with structural simplicity. Two reinforced concrete slabs supported by pillar walls, all in exposed concrete. Raised 40 centimeters above the ground, supported by recessed beams, it enhances the delicate manner in which the project was implemented on the site. Visually, the house appears to float. Simplicity also lies in the arrangement of spaces. The ground floor accommodates the collective program, including a living room, office, bathroom, kitchen, and services. The living room, kitchen, and office form a suspended, open floor. Completely open to the gardens with large openings, the veranda, which extends, becomes a central social space. Cross-ventilation allows for excellent thermal comfort. The shape of the site allowed for a longitudinal placement of the house with spatial permeability between the two main outdoor areas, like a pavilion set loose in the garden. Note that in the kitchen, the maxim of contemporary simplicity also reigns. The proof is in the various utensils on display, suspended above the island space. This choice demands a meticulous selection of pieces and a bit of adherence to minimalism as a lifestyle without the hundreds of dishes and glasses. On the second floor is the private area with 2 suites and the lookout patio, a large slab veranda roof overlooking the treetops. Bamboo, a material so resilient and sustainable used for grandiose works in Colombia and Indonesia, appears here as a sun filter for the bedrooms. It establishes a dialogue with other raw materials, such as concrete, and is used as a sun filter for the rooms. During the day, the bamboo panels filter the light inside the house, creating a texture of light and shadow, and at night they turn the boxes into large lanterns.